Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market news and analyze charts to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 30th, we're taking a deep dive into the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, a popular ETF tracking the Nasdaq 100. The Nasdaq 100 has been in a bullish trend recently, driven by strong earnings reports from tech companies and positive news on the economy. Recent reports on inflation have been encouraging, with the PCE index, the Fed's preferred inflation measure, showing continued cooling. This has led to expectations for further interest rate cuts from the Fed, which is positive for the tech sector. However, some analysts are still concerned about potential economic slowdowns in the near future. Let's look at the chart data to see what it tells us about the QQQ's current trajectory and future prospects. We'll start with the daily chart, zooming out to see the broader picture of QQQ's price action. The daily chart shows a clear uptrend, with QQQ making higher highs and higher lows over the past several weeks. The recent pullback can be interpreted as a healthy correction, as the price found support at a key level. We can see that the current price action is consolidating above a significant support level, around 450, which has held up over the past few days. This level is likely to continue to provide support in the short term. If the price breaks below this support, it could signal a reversal of the uptrend, but it's important to remember that price action can be unpredictable. The daily chart also suggests that the QQQ is facing resistance around 475, a level that has capped the price in recent weeks. If the price breaks above this resistance level, it could signal a breakout and a continuation of the uptrend. However, breaking above this resistance level is a tall order, and it will depend heavily on the news and events that unfold. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The hourly chart shows more detail about the QQQ's intraday movements, allowing us to identify potential entry and exit points. We can see that the price has been trading in a tight range for the past few hours, with little volatility. This consolidation could be a sign of indecision in the market, with traders waiting for a catalyst to move the price. Let's zoom in on the past 24 hours of price action on the hourly chart. As we can see, the price has been trading within a clear range, bouncing between support around 465 and resistance around 470. This range is likely to hold for the next few hours, unless we see a major news event that shakes up the market. The hourly chart also shows that the QQQ is currently trading below its 20-period moving average, which is a bearish signal. However, the price is still holding above the support level, suggesting that the sellers are not yet in control. If the price breaks below the support level, it could indicate that the bears are gaining momentum and could lead to a significant sell-off. It's important to monitor the price action closely and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Now, let's move to the 15-minute chart to get an even more granular view of the QQQ's price action. The 15-minute chart shows the smallest time frame we're analyzing today, and it reveals very short-term trends and opportunities. We can see that the price has been choppy over the past few hours, with a lot of back-and-forth movement. This suggests that there are many buyers and sellers vying for control of the price. The 15-minute chart also shows that the QQQ is currently trading above its 20-period moving average, which is a bullish signal. However, the price is still within the range that we saw on the hourly chart, so it's important to consider the bigger picture. If the price breaks above the resistance level of 470 on the 15-minute chart, it could signal a short-term bullish breakout. However, this breakout needs to be confirmed by sustained price action and increased volume on higher timeframes. The 15-minute chart also shows that the QQQ is facing resistance around 475, which has capped the price in recent hours. Breaking above this resistance level would be a bullish sign, but it's important to remember that the price action can be unpredictable in the short term. To summarize, the QQQ is currently in a period of consolidation, with a clear support level at around 450 and resistance at around 475. The price is trading below its 20-period moving average on the daily chart, but above the 20-period moving average on the 15-minute chart. This suggests that there is a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers in the market. The QQQ's future direction will depend heavily on the news and events that unfold in the coming days. It's important to monitor the price action closely and be prepared to adjust your trading strategy accordingly.